Hello students, today we are going to discuss about one simple topic in PowerPoint, adding chart in PowerPoint. So what is a chart? A chart is a graphical representation of data in which the data is represented by symbols such as bars in a bar chart, lines in a line chart, or slices in a pie chart. Different types of charts are available in PowerPoint. So in different charts, data will represent in a different format. In a bar chart, your data will represent as a bar, line chart as a line, and pie chart like slices, it will represent your data. That we will see very detailed in the next slides. A data chart is a type of diagram or graph that organizes and represents a set of numerical or qualitative data. Next, what is the importance of charts? The main function of a chart are to display data and invite further exploration of a topic. Charts are used in situations where a simple table won't adequately demonstrate important relationships or patterns between data points. That means always you will use your PowerPoint presentations to present something to the audience or people. Correct. So whenever you will present something, a simple table is not sufficient for you to explain the present situation. That time you can use a chart format. It will help you to convey more easily what about your data. Next, we'll learn one definition for chart in PowerPoint. A chart is a tool you can use to communicate your data graphically. It's a graphical type of representation. Displaying charts in PowerPoint allows your audience to see the meaning behind the numbers, and it makes showing comparisons and trends much easier. Always picture representations are more easy to communicate your concept. It will help the audience also to understand very easily. So a chart is a tool you can use to communicate your data graphically. Next is, what are the chart elements to include in a PowerPoint chart? Series, categories, axis, plot area, legend, and chart title. These are the elements included in your PowerPoint chart. Next is, how do you insert a chart in a PowerPoint? So first you select one slide and go to Insert menu. There you can see chart option. Click the chart option, and once you click, it will show a list of charts what are available in your PowerPoint. Depends on your PowerPoint versions, the chart options also will change little bit, not more. So select, double click and select which chart you want. Then once you select the chart, then you can click OK button. Then once you click, that particular chart will come to your slide. We'll see detail. So once you click in the Insert menu, chart options, you can see list of charts are available. So in this, we are going to discuss about now column chart, line chart, pie chart, bar chart, area chart, and XY chart. These charts we need to create. So I will create and show you one chart. Other all chart you should create it yourself. So once you click Insert menu, chart option. Now first I selected column chart. You can see now selection only for the column chart. So once you click the column chart, it will show different column charts options. Any one you can select and click OK button. Once you Once you click OK button, that particular column chart which you selected, it will come to your slide. With that, you can see one more window next to the chart. It is the chart in Microsoft PowerPoint, but it looks like a Excel sheet. Inside this Excel sheet, you can type your own data. Regarding what data you need to show the chart to your audience, that data you can type here. Now I typed simply your subjects and some marks. Depends on my data, the column chart will create in the left side. Okay. And here I selected 3 columns like series 1, 2, 3. That same thing you can see down of your chart. Series 1 in one green color, series 2 in different color, series 3 in different color. Okay, only 3 I selected. If you want, you can choose any number of data in your columns. So depends on your data, your chart will create. Next, we can see organization chart. Organization chart you can't see in the list of charts. That's why I'm explaining separately. So like your column chart, you can create other all charts, bar chart, XY chart, scatter chart, pie chart. Like all charts you can create yourself. That's why I'm not showing now. However, how I created that column chart, in the same way you can select other charts and create. But this organization chart is different. That chart name you can't see in the list of normal charts. So I am explaining that one now. The definition of an organization chart, or what is organization chart, is a diagram that displays a reporting or relationship hierarchy. You can see in the right side the organization chart model. It is showing it like a hierarchy, a tree structure. This kind of chart we are mainly used in organizations to show the employees structure, their workflow. To show that what we are using this organization chart. It's short form as ORG chart with different structures generally applied in organizations. Users can describe the different employee relationships and reporting structures with the following frameworks. It's a traditional types of chart like a hierarchy. Then how to create that chart in the PowerPoint. I already told you, you won't get this organization chart option in the chart category. So how to create that one? To create an organization chart, again go to the insert menu. From insert menu, some group of options you will get. From that you can click Smart Art option. From Smart Art, you should select Hierarchy option. From Hierarchy option, click Organization Chart option. I will show you in the next slide detail. So again in the Insert tab, Smart Art. From Smart Art, you should select Hierarchy option. From Hierarchy, Organization Chart and click OK. See, now I selected Insert menu. From the menu bar, you can see I selected Insert menu. Once you insert, you will get a group of options. Near the chart option, you can see Smart Art option. From Smart Art, once you click the Smart Art, this type of one small white color dialog box will appear. From this pop-up window, select the Hierarchy option. Once you click the Hierarchy option, in the other side, you can see different types of chart, hierarchy chart options or models. Select any one of hierarchy chart option and click OK. Once you click OK, the selected hierarchy chart will appear in your slide. So I selected this option. So I got my hierarchy chart in the slide. And here you can see different Smart Art styles in green color. Any one style you can choose from that. And inside the text, that computer hardware software I typed. That means depends on your content, you can type inside the boxes. Hope you understood. It's very simple option. Okay, but the chart name is hierarchy chart. It's not in the chart category. It will get from the SmartArt option. So once you can choose, if you want to add more number of boxes, you can copy and paste. Copy the particular click the right button, copy the box, paste the box wherever you want. Then the content also you can edit. This is known as organization chart or ORG chart. So now I explained different types of chart definitions and organization chart from the SmartArt option. So how I created, see the steps how I created the column chart. Like that you can create all other different charts available in PowerPoint. Try it yourself. Till you try by yourself, you won't get the clear idea about how to create the chart in PowerPoint. Okay. So thank you children. We'll continue with some other topic.